Madam Speaker, the majority leader is referring to what we have had out there as Mambo Matatu. Mambo ni Matatu. Can majority leader confirm that he is encouraging extrajudicial killing or people being sentenced to prison without judicial trial, or others deported to places without judicial, without procedure, due procedure, sending to heaven, sending to heaven, or sending to jail without judicial processes. Does that confirm that the majority leader is encouraging those practices?
Majority leader, did you encourage extrajudicial killings?
You know, Honorable Speaker, you know, my good friend TJ, knows I have never encouraged anything extrajudicial. In fact, under the last regime, when people were cheering extrajudicial killings, when bodies were being fished out of River Yala, when young men and women were being executed for supporting the then deputy president and their bodies dumped in their badeas, I was among the few Kenyans, very few, Honorable Speaker, who had the courage, when the Honorable TJ could not master that courage, to speak truth to power, that you cannot kill Kenyans for supporting or taking a certain political inclination or supporting a deputy president. Honorable Speaker, the book of Ezra 7:26 is what I would just want to read for my good friend TJ, who I know is a Christian, because it's called Tom Joseph Kajwang. Therefore, Honorable Tom Joseph Kajwang, the book of Ezra 26, Ezra 7:26, says that whoever does not obey the law of your God and the law of the king must surely be punished by death, banishment, confiscation of property, or imprisonment. Mambo ni Matatu. Honorable Speaker, the holy book in the book of Ezra speaks about banishment.